Hey, it's Josh Betzell. I was speaking to Michael the other day, and he told me to send this video over to your company. But this video is going to show you 3 things that you could do to bring in more customers to your business. Now, you're probably sitting there wondering, Josh, why are you making this video for me? So, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Sometimes the only hesitation they have to getting help from someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So I found by giving people an easy free attack plan of actual things they could do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands saying, I like what you do, Josh. Can you please keep doing this for me? So if by the end of this video, if you liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, shoot me a message back and we could chat. But if at the end of this video, you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you to do yourself, that totally works for me too. So now let me show you the 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. And the first thing I want to go over is content. When I talk about content, I'm not talking about just the amount of words on your page, but what type of keywords you're using. So you have a little bit of content, but you really need at least 1,500 words to be optimized with Google. And this is the reason why. Google sends out robots. These robots, they look and crawl for keywords through the content you have. But the more content you have, the more they crawl. So what are these keywords I'm talking about? So I go over here and I plug your company, your website into my Keywords Everywhere tool. It's about $10 for 100,000 credits. So you can do this on your own if you like. It'll easily last you a couple of months. But it shows you what keywords you're ranking for on your website. Right now you're ranking for advanced flooring removal companies, floor removal, Jacksonville, Compa, Florida, flooring removal company. And you're ranked number 1 for advanced flooring removal, which is good. But I'm gonna go over to your competition, and that is going to be virtual dustless speedy, and this is the keywords they're ranking for. All right, floor removal, Jacksonville, Compa, Florida, dust-free tile. They're your competition because when we go over here to floor removal, Jacksonville, Florida, they are ranked number 1 in Google. Okay. I also brought up a floor installation, or excuse me, flooring companies search bar, and Mike's your number 1 competitor for flooring companies, Jacksonville, Florida. And so when we go over to Mike's website, this is him, his keywords, these are all the keywords he's ranking for, okay? So definitely want to be aiming for your competition's keywords that are tailored to your service area and niches and services that you provide, all right? The second thing I want to talk to you about was citations. Citations is how you actually climb through this map pack here. But what's the best thing for me seeing is that you are actually number 1, and that is phenomenal. So I was curious. I was like, how many citations do you have? So you have 4 citations. I found that out by my local citation finder by Whitespark, WHITESPARK.ca. Costs you about $30 to $70 a month, depending on your plan. But it shows me that you have 4 citations. So for flooring, let me go back. So for flooring removal, you're number 1, okay? But when it comes to flooring companies, you're actually on the 4th page, or excuse me, 3rd page. And 3rd page isn't bad, but we don't want to be just on the 1st page. We want to be in the top 3. So you have 5.0 stars and 29 Google reviews, which is awesome. Reviews help as well. It also shows me that you're all about customer service, which I am as well. So that is just great. But optimize a better description. Okay, I believe Google gives you 750 character count for Google My Business. Utilize that to its extent and implement those keywords in there. Also add some more pictures. I see you have a couple down here, but just add some more. All right. The other thing was 200 to 300 citations is how you climb through the map pack. All right. Like I said, you're number 1 for the flooring removal, which is phenomenal. But if you want to be flooring companies, if you want to focus on installations, board by chance, you definitely need 200 to 300 of these bad boys. The third thing I want to talk to you about was backlinks and link juice. So what are these backlinks and link juice I'm talking about? Well, this link juice, it works like this. For example, LinkedIn is pointing to your website. Therefore, LinkedIn is acting like link juice, which gives your website more authority in Google's eyes. Almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effectively when you have relative sites linking back at you. I emphasize relative because that is so important. I know people will hire some SEO or digital marketers and they'll just throw a bunch of backlinks and referring domains to do a website, but that's not how it works. You need not relative ones, but you need good ones so it gives your website that drive and influence that it's supposed to. It's kind of like if you, let's use LinkedIn again, as an example. If you have LinkedIn linking at you, that would be more effective than like Pizza Hut linking at you because let's be honest, you sling floor installations for a living, you don't sling pizzas. All right, so you have 19 referring domains and 92 backlinks. This tool is called Air's, by the way. It runs you about $170 a month. Definitely worth it. I use it every single day because, well, I'm a digital marketer. But so you have 19 referring domains and 92 backlinks. When we go over to Mike's Air's, he has 38 referring domains and 207 backlinks. It's extremely beatable. But like I said, you don't want to just get any links. You need to figure out the competitions, how many blog comments they have, how many influence links do they have, how many guest posts do they have, how many citations, how many social profiles, and you need to not only match them but surpass them in order to beat the competition out. Okay. So I just want to wrap this up and go back over the 3 things we talked about. And the first thing was content. Add at least 1,500 words to your homepage and implement those keywords. The second thing was citations. You really want to have about 200 to 300 of these bad boys to beat your competition out by a landslide. But I love that you're number 1 for specifically flooring removal, Jacksonville, Florida, in the map pack, not organically. And number 3 was link juice. So you need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 904-383-8479. Again, my name is Josh, and my number is 904-383-8479. I look forward to hearing from you, and have a great day.